boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar, and it's Wednesday. That means Beautiful Wish Wednesday. And before we move on with this specific song here, I just want to highlight the Wish Week that we're going to start next Wednesday. And a whole week, we're going to have your songs every day coming out there. So we have still a couple days, today, tomorrow, to wish for your song and for me to have time to do the work before next Wednesday. So take the chance, guys, wish for your songs, and you will have them perhaps from next Wednesday and 1 week forward. So that's it. Now let's go into this Wish Wednesday, and we have you, Demo Vibes. You wish for a song from Wizkid. It's called Troubled Mind. All right, so a nice song there. It's a 3-chord song. We're gonna take a look at both the melody part that goes in the same way through the entire song, but also the strumming that follows that pattern. Same chords, just move on with that same style through the entire song. We love that scenario. So let's go into the chords, and we don't need any cable for this one. All right, so the 3 chords we're gonna learn is E minor, the A minor 7, and the B minor 7. All right, so first, E minor. That goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. We have A minor 7 next. That will be open A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. And the third and final chord will be B minor 7. And that's a bar chord, so you place the index finger on the 2nd fret and you push down 5 strings. If you count from bottom up, all strings except from the last E string, you don't need that one. And then you need to add 4th on D and 3rd on B. There we have the chord progression: E minor, A minor 7, and B minor 7. All right, that is how it goes. Now, let's start with the melody and do that chord by chord, starting with E minor. And what you need to hold here is the 2nd fret D string to start with. And 1 round goes like this, slowly. All right, so you're gonna start with 1 open pick on the open E string. All right, open E. And then comes 1 motion thing going on there with a hammer-on technique in the end. So what you're gonna do here is to roll down the 2nd D, open G, open B, open high E, and then once you play that open high E, you're gonna hammer on the 2nd fret E string to get that note. You hammer on because you want everything to be in a rolling motion, very fast, so you don't have time to pick everything on the same string. So you just roll down like that. So, and then I hammer on the last 2nd E string. All right, that's the E minor part. Then you shift to A minor. And what you can do here is to keep that 2nd fret D string in the same spot. You're gonna use that for the A minor 7. So what you're gonna do now is to play like this. Okay, so again, a little bit of same technique there. First, you have the open A, and then you're gonna roll down 2nd D, open G, and then open B, and then 3rd B, you're gonna hammer on, and then pull off to get the 1st B. You have that just behind that 3rd B. So you're gonna hammer on the 3rd B and pull off to get the 1st B. Or you can just hammer on both. Okay? So 3rd B, 1st B, hammer on both. That's your choice, but you have to have these notes, so. Okay, again. That is the A minor, the first part of A minor. And then you're gonna do again A minor, but like this. Just roll down the open A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B. That is it for A minor 7. Then you shift to B minor, and here you're gonna pick 4 strings together, and that will be the 2nd A, 4th D, 2nd G, and 3rd B. Pick those strings together, and then you're gonna add third on B and second G. That ends this melody in the B minor. So that is one round of the melody. Slowly it goes like this. Okay, and in standard tempo, sounds like this. So on. All right, practice that. I need it. It's new for me as well, but I think you will get it. And that's the melody part. Now let's go into the strumming. And like I said, same chord now: E minor, A minor, and B minor 7. Rolling around there, but we need to learn the strumming pattern. And we have two parts of it. All right. So we're gonna look at the transition for the first two chords, E minor to A minor 7. So I have part 1 for E minor and part 2 for A minor 7. So it goes like this. Okay, so we have E minor part 1, it goes down, down, up, clap. That's it. So down, down, up, clap. And then you shift chord, in this case to A minor 7, and play part 2, down, down, clap, down. So down, short pause, and down, clap, down. So together. And then you're gonna stay on the A minor and play part 1 again, in the same way as you played E minor. So down, down, up, clap. And then you shift to B minor and play part 2, down, down, clap, down. And you finished one round of that strumming. So E minor part 1, A minor part 2, then part 1, and then B minor part 2. So like this. Alright, took off there. You can switch back and forth with the strumming and the melody. It's up to you. That is how I handle Wizkid's Troubled Mind and Demo Vibes. Hope you enjoyed this. That's my mission. And all you Wizkids fans, hope this was educational for you and helpful. And if it was, feel free to support me on Garden Guitar. Like always, you like this tutorial, you subscribe to this channel first and foremost, and yeah, let's do this together. And again, just want to highlight which week. All right, guys, so it's great. We have a whole week for you and your wish songs. So take a chance, and I hope to see you here soon. Till next time, play tuned.